How can I fix the PS4 EA server connection issue?
Hello, gamers. Having trouble connecting to the EA servers on your PS4? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users experience this, and it's often easy to resolve. Today, we'll guide you through how to fix the PS4 EA server connection issue. So, let's dive right in.
Is the EA server down?
First and foremost, let's determine if the issue is on EA's end. If their servers are down, there isn't much you can do but wait. 1. Visit the EA help website or a third-party website like Down Detector to check the server status. 2. If you find that the servers are indeed down, wait until EA resolves the issue. Keep checking back to stay updated.
Is your internet connection stable?
Now, if the EA servers are fine, the next step is to check your own internet connection. 1. Run a quick speed test to see if your internet is working properly. 2. Try to use a wired connection rather than Wi-Fi, as it can be more stable. 3. Restart your router or modem if necessary.
Is your PS4 software up to date?
Sometimes, the problem might be due to outdated software. Keeping your PS4 system software up to date can help prevent connection issues. 1. To check for updates, go to Settings to System Software Update on your PS4 console. 2. Follow the prompts to download and install any available updates.
Are your EA account details correct?
Lastly, ensure your EA account details are correct and up to date. 1. Check if you can log into your account on the EA website. 2. If you're having issues, you might need to reset your password or update your account details. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the PS4 EA server connection issue and get back to your gaming. Remember, the process involves checking EA server status, ensuring a stable internet connection, keeping your PS4 software updated, and making sure your EA account details are correct. If you've followed all these steps and still face issues, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance. Game on, friends!